Rocco, turn the volume up a little for me, would you?
Why?
Want it a little louder? Louder. Yeah, go up a couple notches. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's it. That was good. Yeah, so anyway, this is a good test because you have that siren sound in the background again, and I'm talking in like pretty much the same tone that I did before. This is the Canon 5D Mark II's internal microphone. The way that it ordinarily sounds really just like with all of its sort of non-directional quality. Okay, this is the Røde stereo video mic with the Gumby show playing in the background and with the dead cat cover on. All of the levels are set to neutral. In other words, there's no roll-off level set here, and there's also no gain filter at all set here. This is just the straight-up flat settings of the mic. Okay, now all I did here is I turned the gain to -10. So in theory, this should actually lower the overall levels enough that you would get sort of a little headroom to work with without getting distortion if you wanted to add gain, which is probably necessary because the Canon 5D mic is so quiet. The recording audio levels seem to be so quiet to me. Okay, and now this is the mic with the dead cat cover still on, and with the high-pass filter on. Should be rolling off some of the background noise of the computer playing the TV show back there.
I suggest we change the name of our fire department from Gumby Fire Department to Røde Fire Department.
Now I'm going to take off the filter, the dead cat wind muff, and I'm going to start back at the neutral settings. Okay, so now I'm back at the settings that the camera, the video mic ships with, the flat settings, but with no dead cat wind muff on, just to see what effect that wind muff has. Now here once again is the high pass filter. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's not the high pass filter. Now here again is the -10 gain setting activated, so you give increased sort of headroom and to cut the decibel levels, which is probably, I don't know, probably desirable with this camera, honestly.
Don't worry, Gumby will get a hit.
And this is the high pass filter engaged with the -10. Now the one test that I didn't do before, now that I realize, is the high pass filter without the -10. So let's try that now.
They're going to be surprised.
So this is the high pass filter with the -10 setting turned off. So this is the flat gain setting with the high pass filter and all the chaos of a American Italian American households.